My name is Aaron Acree. I'm the National Partner Director that manages the Telarus relationship. The number one problem that Telarus partners face when trying to sell UCaaS solutions, whether it's Vonage or anyone else, is just the uncertainty. Whether it's uncertainty of the network, uncertainty of how things work, that's probably the number one concern. So Vonage addresses the obstacles in a different manner of way. So number one, we want to make sure they're comfortable pre-sales, post-sales with not only the team, but the products and services. And working with the VXSupportLine is a great way for us to help ease that concern for the customers. The Vonage Beacon is an agnostic tool for a customer to go in and say, this is what needs to be done, or my network truly is ready. It helps relieve some of that uncertainty they might have within their network. Also addresses some of the items that they might need to fix that they didn't know about going into it. So it's a great asset for partners and their customers to be able to use to have a little bit more comfort in going forward with the UCaaS solution.